Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2020 Nissan Patrol, stock number 5924. This ran from 11th 2012 to the current shape. It has a VK56 VDV8 petrol engine backed by a 7-speed automatic transmission. This is the VK56 VD engine. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag, good tyre. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right rear tail light. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag, good tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front 18-inch factory alloy mag, good tyre. Right front guard. Right front headlight. Right front mirror. Right front door, no dents. Interior door trim. Master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. AC controls. Factory sat-nav touchscreen stereo. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Front courtesy light. Factory leather 3-spoke steering wheel. Instrument cluster.